What's going on, guys? It's your boy Rich Folk Credit. I'm back again. Look, man, I told y'all was gonna see me in the same outfit like 10 times. I told y'all I got these videos in store for y'all, so I'm gonna knock them out real quick. But let's dive right into it. All right. So a lot of the times you guys just think that your credit will get you whatever you want, right? Whatever you go apply for, you think that your current credit right now is gonna get you whatever you need, right? When that's not the case. For you to be able to get approved for something, whether it be a credit card or auto loan, an apartment, whatever the case may be, you're going to have a built out report. It's not just about the credit score anymore, right? So the goalpost was over here. Now it's not anymore. It's over here, right? The goalpost is not here anymore. It's over here, right? So just having a good credit score doesn't necessarily mean anything to these banks and lenders nowadays, right? You have to have a built out report, right? And I've got some resources already inside of the classroom where you can sign up for these things that build your credit. But I'm about to give out just like a little rundown of how you can actually build out your credit report. And I'm gonna also show you what a good credit report looks like. Okay. So your score is a reflection of your credit report. So the better your credit report is, right, the better your score will look. Okay. So you want to make sure that you build your credit report out. Actually, you want to make sure that your credit report, excuse me, is completely clean, right? If your credit report is completely clean, this is how you can go and get a 750, 850 in 30 to 60 days. All right. So you want to make sure you add primary accounts to your credit report. Okay. You can add primary accounts as far as like things like pledge loans, right? Navy Fed. You can do DCU, anything a pledge loan, right? A pledge loan is a cash collateral loan. So it's money in your own account that you're borrowing against, right? That bank is going to put that on your credit report. It's going to look like a secure loan. Okay. Now you can also do primary trade lines, right? Which are going to be your AVA, your kickoff, your credit strong, is going to be your rent reporters backdated, boom pay. Those are going to be your primary trade lines that you add to your credit report to build it out, right? It's going to give it that good credit mix. It's going to give it some history. All right. So you want to make sure that you, after you do that and your credit report is built out, right, where you got about, I would say a good amount of accounts to have is about 10, right? A good amount of accounts to have is about 10, right? And this is what a good credit report looks like, guys. Okay. So after you do that, guys, to completely make sure that you do have a report that's built out and fundable, right? You want to make sure you go throw 2 authorized users on there because you want to make sure your credit age is around the minimum 2 years, right? I say 5 years or better is golden, right? You want to make sure it's 5 years or better, and that's gonna have you to be able to get funded by these banks and lenders. Okay, so you want to make sure you add primary trade lines, add some authorized user trade lines, but wait till the primary trade lines are aged at least 6 months. Okay, guys. So that's the way you build out your credit report. It's your boy Rich Fo. Don't say I never told y'all nothing. Hope y'all found this video informational. I'm gone. Oh yeah. Link in the description to join the school community where I teach you more about stuff like this. Gone. Peace.